Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take creatine for best results. We'll start with the loading phase. To quickly saturate your muscles, aim for 20 grams of creatine daily for 5 to 7 days. It's best to divide this into 4 separate 5-gram servings throughout the day. You can easily mix your creatine with water or a carbohydrate-rich beverage for optimal absorption. This initial step is crucial for maximizing its benefits. After successfully completing your loading phase, it's time to transition into the maintenance phase. Here, you'll reduce your daily intake to a smaller, consistent dose. Aim for 3 to 5 grams of creatine once per day. Maintaining this daily routine is absolutely essential for sustained muscle saturation and to continue reaping the benefits over several weeks or even months. Consistency truly is key here. When it comes to timing, creatine is quite flexible and can be taken at any point during your day. However, some find taking it immediately after a workout can enhance absorption. To further boost its uptake, consider combining your creatine with a source of carbohydrates or protein. Remember, staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water is also vital for maximizing creatine's effectiveness and supporting your body. Finally, let's cover some important considerations. Always opt for creatine monohydrate, as it's the most researched and proven effective form. Before starting any new supplement regimen, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. Remember to stay exceptionally well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Pay attention to your body's response and adjust your intake as necessary for the best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.